Here we are doing one of the CES project here in Lake Oswego, Oregon. This is an office project, and look how big some of the windows are. So we have total 12 windows. Here we are looking at the job site. Those are the original windows back from the old days. Definitely outdated, single pane. And see how it's next to the traffic, facing west. So gonna be noisy and a lot of heat coming through with the sunlight. And here's our new windows. Triple pane with weather resistance aluminum outside. And we have low E, and will be a big difference once those things put up. We're getting the windows ready for installations. The old windows has been taken out, and the owners are excited on site. And I couldn't wait to come back and see how the installation goes, and once everything put up. Here we are doing one of the CES project here in Lake Oswego, Oregon. This is a office building, one level, close to the street. So we have 12 big windows putting in today. Now just 2 of them just kind of partially put in right now. And more windows going to be coming in from the back side of our office. That's a big window there. Couple more over here where they open up the wall so they can have more window space. All right, so come on in. So we have this low E, so the light doesn't reflect in as much, and of course it's a laminated glass, so more of a sound resistance. Well, let's see the work in progress for CES window here in this project. We just have taken out all the old ones and put the new ones in place. Looking great from outside already. I definitely like the low E, that is a reflective effect, so that it's a noisy street. You don't get to see inside that easily. So there's a little privacy there. All right. Come back to the back side of the building. A couple windows already in place, waiting to get clocking, etc. The siding to be finished. And we got 2 more windows, big ones, that are waiting to come into this spot here. And again, we're reinforcing the whole structure and to support the weight of the window. And let's see what's here. All right, yes, more CES aluminum clad wood windows are already in place. Okay, work in progress. Now the windows are placing into the opening. I see the outside has been trimmed. Looking great. Let's see what's gonna turn out to be. So we have this aluminum protected by the films, black outside. It's gonna be a white wood finish inside. All right. Okay. Now we see the outside has been trimmed, waiting to be painting to finish up. So we shall see. Work in progress. Now we can see the window trim has partially completed. And it's looking good. And we shall see what it's like. So this is all completed. Again, work in progress.